BOKE Batch Programming Connection Demonstration. Firstly, connect the batch programmer to the computer. Batch programmers require independent power supply. Place the side of the driver with NFC sensing area above the sensing area of the batch programmer. Connection completed. Open the BOKE EasySet programming software. Click Import Configuration and click OK. Wait a moment to read all programmable items of this drive. Modify adjust output current. Check the adjust output current in the left list. Click on Batch Programming. Click to start programming. Wait a moment to complete the programming. More product information can be found on the BOKE official website.